What up, guys? Your boy Tone here. Is this the easiest fucking oil change of all time, guys? I think so. The Geo Metro. It's not too bad. That's good. Anyways, here is your filter. Let's go to the bottom here. There is your drain bolt. Look at that pan. Looks like somebody went off-roading in this thing and really dented her up. But yeah, here is the pan and the filter.
And he was thrown out of comedy. He was thrown out so far. He flew all the way to New York and landed up on Gavin McKinnon's doorstep. Gavin.
Alright, let's get this done.
He committed suicide over it. But this is when I really started because
Let's see what size this plug is.
I invited him out to come on my dad's boat this weekend. Just get his head out there. Get his head out there.
Perfect.
Get a nice refresh. And I was like,
11/16. Let's see if the 5/8 will fit on there. Nope, 5/8 won't fit. Make sure don't pull that rookie mistake, guys. I've done it too many times.
So here's Beth Stella. She got away with it in cold blood, and the channel was never to be seen again. Okay, it's removed from the empire scene, and the only person who ever spoke with him again was Gavin McKinnon, and that's the
Oh my gosh.
She's in this video, and you know Bert Kreischer, and you know the other guy. You want to see this video? You're not going to believe what happened here. So
Son of a bitch.
which I didn't.
Took all the tone torque.
Here it is. It's called Beth Stelling and Greg Fitzsimmons make Bert's favorite Taco Bell foods. And the show burn.
Right there in the hole. So I always keep some rags. My socket set, guys. Just a little tip. She had a lot of oil. She's not burning that much. Not as much as I thought she would. That's good. All the cylinders have good compression too, and there is no oil in the spark plugs. So this little Geo Metro is taken care of, guys. Right on. And I'll show you how to take off this guy. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh.
Bango bus.
Oh, fucking A. It's definitely
A lot of this money was
hand tight.
and they fired me for that, and I've been lying this whole time. So it's similar to that. I went, they're saying in my past they heard about the kids, boy, guy child. That's I think imagine a child loves he's doing it to boy, right? You think you're so? By the way, Jules' birthday this week. How old do you think she's going to give away your age? Well, I'll see you when you make up. Because some of them don't know. I think.
Oh, son of a bitch.
I must admit, tastefully done. Now I'm going to go beat my meat. That's what he said.
It's not what I wanted, guys.
On that cute photo.
That's not what I wanted.
I must admit, gonna go beat my meat. Okay, let's
There you go.
this experiment. So why does everyone
Let
say
that shit
oh,
drain out.
this child bride? She's why is 26? Why is that too young? Sweet 16 coming up. Congrats, Jules. That's from the chef. I wish she was fucking 16, yeah? That's pretty good. So it's her birthday this week. It'd be nice if you sent her some card. Send something like that. Don't get her a card. Get her a card. Here it is. This is Jeff Stelling, Greg Fitzsimmons.
Well, I did it at a perfect time. Shit's dirty as fuck. Doesn't smell burnt. That's good.
No, that would be. That's good. How old do you want these women? Have you ever met older women? It's terrible. Okay, that's Sally, Greg Fitzsimmons, and it's his new show where they do a podcast, but they're cooking. So let's see how this begins.
I saw you arrive at this site and have not seen you wash your hands. I'm gonna wash it right now. But this is the first time I've ever washed my hands.
There's that. Okay, here we go. Dude, I like when they have low intro music. It's always good. Something's burning with Bert.
I wish it stripped up they did eras of women. So they'd be like, ladies and gentlemen, keep it going for Martha from the 1800s.
And now you have this. This is different than your normal comedian conversation. This is.
Let's go all the
This
way
is
through.
scripted comedian conversation, or I like to call it a comedian's presentation. This is like the three comedians who may decide
There you go. Sons of
like when you see a
bitches.
comedian go on Joe Rogan's,
The blood splatter.
more relaxed, they're kind of having a conversation. I know people have blamed them for acting, but most of the time it's a regular conversation. This show, forgive me, I gotta say.
It's going, it's going, it's going. Yeah. I finally broke the goddamn seal on the filter. Some bitch put fucking Loctite on it or something.
Comedians are losing touch with their regular.
It's on there good. But we got it.
What do they say?
Time to fill it up.
Matter,
Slap on the other one.
expanding. Comedians are expanding outward, farther away from humankind. And we showed you that Nikki Glaser video a few weeks ago where they were just talking normally as if it was totally normal to go to an aquarium hole and jacking off with 3 vibrators and sticking things in every hole and cleaning out their ears. Completely normal, right? Well, this is similar to that. We're not going to see anything sexual here, but wait till you see what the comedians think is normal to do at the end of this episode. You're really not going to believe it. What happens? People are guessing this Bert take off his shirt. No. So now we're going to jump to 28 minutes. We're going to watch the end of this episode. Now remember, all they've been doing is making Mexican pizzas.
That's it. Hand tight. You don't need any more. That's why it was all fucked up. Like this jackass fucking probably tightened it to shit.
Everyone could enjoy. Hold on, I'm just trying to get to that 28 minutes. Let's see how they end the show.
Really?
They're eating choco tacos now. They're eating the food now. They're eating some choco tacos they made here. Don't mind this.
Put on back that drain bolt back on there.
win those prizes. Here's where it starts.
Where you going?
This is not what I wanted to show you. Don't worry about that. But, by the way, Greg is now, they've asked him if you can marry one female.
Alright, that's good.
Greg is now on his hands and knees.
I'll put a pad down tonight. See if it if it leaks anything. Tighten it down more, but if not, we're golden.
And watch this thing happen.
And it's 3.5 quarts in here. We're good, guys. Solid. Nice greasy.